Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best insulated windows is probably one of the most impactful home improvement choices you can make, offering a perfect blend of enhanced energy efficiency, lasting durability, and significantly reduced maintenance needs. This comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know about insulated plastic windows, from understanding their benefits and exploring the various types available to mastering the installation process and addressing common maintenance concerns, ultimately empowering you to make an informed decision that will transform your home's comfort and energy costs. Number 5. Duck Brand Window Shrink Film Kit. This winter, keep the cold air out and your energy bills down. It's easy to install and makes a big difference. You'll barely notice it's there. The clear film shrinks to create a tight seal, blocking drafts and cold air. The kit comes with everything you need: a large roll of crystal clear film and plenty of double-sided tape for a secure installation. This kit is designed to insulate up to 10 standard-sized windows, saving you money on heating costs. It's simple to apply, just follow the instructions and you'll have a snug, energy-efficient seal in no time. By reducing energy consumption, it helps you save money and be kind to the planet. It's a win-win. What we like. It's a complete kit, easy to install and provides a crystal clear view. If you need to insulate many windows and want a simple solution, this is a great choice. It's perfect for homeowners who want an effective and straightforward way to improve energy efficiency without sacrificing light. What people say. The drafts are gone and we went from 66-67F in the upstairs bedrooms to 70-71F upstairs, without the chilly drafts. That was in sub-zero temps outside. These window covers are obviously keeping the cold air out and the warm air in. It worked on the glass and the draft stopped immediately. Easy to cut, easy to apply, double-sided tape sticks very well. Had no problems with it coming off. Number 4. Frost King V73 Window Kit. This winter, keep your home warm and cozy with the Frost King V73 Window Kit. It's highly durable and easy to use, providing a great value for your money. Installing it is a breeze. Simply follow the instructions and you'll have a snug, energy-efficient seal in minutes. It's built to last. This kit provides long-lasting protection against drafts and cold air. Remember to remove it during warmer months to avoid damage from sunlight and stress. Reapplying yearly ensures the best seal. By preventing drafts, it helps you save money on your energy bills this winter. Enjoy a warmer, more comfortable home. This product is manufactured to high standards in China, ensuring quality and reliability. What we like. This product is built to last and is incredibly user-friendly. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution that's easy to install, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who want a cost-effective way to improve their home's insulation without compromising on quality. What people say. Used to diminish cold and wind. When used correctly, you will see a difference. Easy to use but take your time for a pristine look. The directions were easy to follow and installation was not difficult at all. They fit our windows well considering some are longer than the average. We were able to do 10 windows in less than an hour. Can barely notice the covering is there. Thick and does reduce drafts. Excellent function, easy installation, works very well, comes off very well. Number 3. XFasten Window Sealing Tape. This winter, protect your home from harsh weather with our innovative window sealing tape. It's designed to create an airtight seal, keeping your home warm and comfortable. Made with high-quality, weather-resistant materials, it can withstand extreme temperatures and UV exposure. Yet, it's gentle enough to remove cleanly without leaving residue. This weather-stripping tape provides a reliable seal against air and water infiltration, preventing drafts and keeping moisture out. Enjoy a cozy and dry indoor environment. It's built to last for multiple seasons, resisting aging and degradation. You can rely on it for long-term weather sealing protection. Even beginners can achieve professional results with its pressure-sensitive adhesive and anti-curling backing. It removes cleanly, leaving no sticky residue behind. Weather sealing against dust, smog, or temperature changes, it offers reliable protection. Enjoy a draft-free environment with ease. What we like. It creates an airtight seal and removes cleanly, leaving no residue behind. If you're a renter or concerned about surface damage, this is the perfect solution. It's suitable for anyone who wants a reliable, long-term solution that won't harm their windows or frames. What people say. It was easy to work with, flexible, sticky in a good way, easy to cut. I think it took me about 15 minutes to do 4 windows. I noticed an immediate reduction in cold air leaking in 6° F day. These windows don't get open very often, so it shouldn't be a big deal to leave them taped up all the time. The tape was super easy to apply, and I love that it's clear, so it blends in with the window and doesn't stand out. It's also held up well so far, sticking securely without peeling off. It's really a good quality tape, easy to apply and works perfectly. Since I've added on my bedrooms as windows, I can feel the difference. The room keeps it warm. Number 2. 3M2170W 6 Window Insulator. This winter, keep your home warm and cozy with the 3M2170W 6 Outdoor Window Insulator Kit. It's easy to install and will help you save money on your energy bills. It features a clear heat shrink window film that creates a tight seal, preventing drafts and heat loss. This ensures a crystal clear view from your windows. Application is a breeze thanks to the included double-sided Scotch window film mounting tape. It provides a secure and reliable hold for the film. This kit helps you save energy by reducing heating costs and condensation. Say goodbye to frost buildup and hello to comfortable temperatures. Remember, it's designed for outdoor use only, and should be applied when the outdoor temperature is above 50 degrees Fahrenheit 10 degrees Celsius. It's the perfect solution for keeping the cold out. Installation is simple and straightforward. Follow the instructions for best results and enjoy the benefits of a warmer, more energy-efficient home. What we like. Designed for outdoor use, it effectively reduces heating costs and prevents frost buildup. If you live in a cold climate and need an outdoor solution, this is your best bet. It's perfect for those who want to protect their windows from the harsh elements and save money on energy bills. What people say. October 2019, purchased this product to cover large screens for older, larger condo insulated windows, 30x50. Was a little surprised that these were not heat the shrink type that I've used before for interiors. But the product was easy to install, took me about 15 minutes per screen, was easily able to stretch out wrinkles, and no problems unfolding peeling the plastic open. There was actually enough double-sided tape for 3 of my windows, plastic covered too. May 2020, remove the plastic this afternoon. First, all 6 plastic sheets were intact after a New England winter. Second, plastic removal was beyond simple, the plastic peeled away from the tape easily. The tape needed a little encouragement but by and large came off the aluminum frame in one piece and with no sticky residue. This will be my second winter installing these things. They held up from early November to May with no punctures or tears. It has the pliability of saran wrap, it stretches, but is not adhesive so it doesn't get stuck to itself. They tear off in one easy piece when you are ready to take them down. Number 1. XFasten Winter Tape. It's a weather sealing tape that sticks well to various surfaces, including wood, metal, plastic, and drywall. This ensures a tight seal on your windows and doors, blocking drafts effectively. It's designed to last for 8 seasons or 24 months. Yet, it removes cleanly without leaving any residue, making it perfect for renters or homeowners. It creates an airtight seal, reducing heating and cooling costs. It has a wide operating temperature range, making it suitable for various climates. It's easy to apply, simply peel and stick. The tape won't curl or stick to your hands, making for a quick and mess-free installation. It has a UV-proof surface, so it won't yellow or cloud over time. It blends seamlessly with your window frames and sills, maintaining a clean look. What we like. It's easy to apply, lasts for many seasons, and leaves no residue. If you're looking for a hassle-free, long-lasting solution, this is the one for you. It's ideal for renters and homeowners who want a simple, effective way to improve their home's energy efficiency. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.